Thanks for viewing this May Team listing located at 237 Saxondale Avenue, located in Las Vegas, Nevada, in a subdivision called Crystal Springs. This home is a one-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a 3-car garage and a beautiful pool in the backyard. As you can see, granite countertops throughout and all of the appliances are included. See the virtually staged dining room. Tile floors throughout the main living area. This is considered a great room floor plan. See the virtually staged great room. As you make your way into the master bedroom, all of the bedrooms have bamboo wood floors, window covering and blinds throughout. The master bathroom has dual sinks, a separate tub, and a separate shower. Within the master bathroom is the walk-in closet with custom inserts. Making your way down the hallway, additional bedrooms all have crown molding, custom closet doors, and again, hardwood bamboo flooring. 3 bathrooms throughout. Take a look at the virtually staged secondary bedroom. This home is 2,019 square feet. The washer and dryer is included. As you make your way to the backyard, it's a covered patio with artificial grass, mature landscaping, and a relaxing pool. This home has no one behind you. This home is now available. If you have any questions, give the May Team a call at 702-491-9601 or visit mayteamlasvegas.com.